How to boost computer processor or CPU speed in Windows 10 or 11 and make your computer 200% faster. Hello everyone, and let's get started. So to start up with, the first step to boost your processor, you have to click on Windows plus R to open the Run tab. Once you have opened the Run tab, type in msconfig and hit OK. Doing this will open the system configuration. Once the new interface is opened, go to Boot Settings. Then click on Advanced Options. Now click on the button called as Number of Processors and you can click on the maximum number of processor. Once that is done, hit on the OK button. So once you have closed it, you can restart the computer immediately or you can exit without restart. After that, let's move on to the next step. For that, open Power, Sleep and Battery Settings. Hereby, you can adjust different options such as screen and sleep, power mode, battery saver, battery usage and much more. You can even change the power mode to balanced or high performance or best power efficiency. So once you have made all the necessary changes, let's move on to the next step. On the search bar, search for Edit Power Plan and it will open a new interface. From here, tap on Change Advanced Power Settings. Hereby, you have different settings that you can change. You can click on Processor Power Management and make sure that minimum processor state is set to 5% to 80% and it could be set to 0 to 100 as well. So once you have made all these necessary changes, you can click on Apply and OK. After that, make sure that you restart your device. Once you have restarted your computer, you will notice that the processor has been boosted and the CPU speed is increased. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.